Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this AE like CC edit with Capcut. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video.
Master Oogway, you summoned me.
Oogway, forgive me.
Firstly, open Wink application, go to quality restoration, then add your video, and wait for it to process. After processing, preview the before and after results. Then save the video. Open Capcut and add the video we just saved. So here's the result of the Wink application quality restoration. Go to video effects. Select HDR2, click adjust and apply these settings. Set glare to 25, range to 60, size 40, sharpen 50, atmosphere 35, blur 0, speed 0. Extend it to the end. Add black flash 2 effect. Click adjust. Speed 100. Intensity 100. Size 0. Twist 0. Extend it to the end. Add edge glare effect. Set the glare to 20. Extend it to the end. Apply vignette effects. Adjust the texture to 65. On your main video, go to filter. Select HD dark. Set the value to 30. Click adjust and apply the settings. Set brightness to 10. Contrast 5. Saturation 5. Brilliance 5. Sharpen 50. Highlight 5. Shadow 5. Now export the video. So here's the final results.
Master Oogway, you summoned me.
Oogway, forgive me.